I started seeing ads for a device called GlucoMax, and honestly, it caught my attention right away. It's being promoted as a painless, non-invasive blood sugar monitor that supposedly lets you check your glucose instantly. No finger pricks, no test strips, no pain. The ads frame it as a medical breakthrough, using doctor images, medical logos, and claims of hospital-grade accuracy. For anyone managing diabetes, that sounds almost too good to be true. So instead of trusting the ads, I decided to dig into it myself. Quick disclaimer before we continue. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. I'm not promoting or selling this product, and I'm not a medical professional. I'm simply breaking down what this device actually is, so people don't get misled. Once I looked closely at the product, and especially once I saw the device itself, it became clear very quickly that GlucoMax is not a glucose monitor at all. It's actually a pulse oximeter, the same type of finger clip device used to measure oxygen levels and heart rate. And here's the key point. Pulse oximeters cannot measure blood sugar. They are not designed for it, and they never have been. GlucoMax claims it can read glucose levels through the skin without drawing blood. That alone is a massive red flag. As of today, there is no FDA-approved consumer device that can accurately measure blood glucose non-invasively through a finger clip, ring, or handheld gadget. Health authorities have repeatedly warned that products making these claims are not legitimate. When you compare the GlucoMax device to standard pulse oximeters sold online, the hardware is identical. The same devices are widely available on wholesale sites for $1 or $2. GlucoMax simply rebrands it, changes the software display, and markets it as a blood sugar monitor. The way they sell it is just as concerning. The website uses fake doctor endorsements, AI-generated patient images, and logos from organizations like the Mayo Clinic and the American Diabetes Association. None of these organizations endorse this product. The logos and faces are used purely to create false trust. The reviews are another issue. They're all hosted on the company's website, nearly all 5 stars, and you can't independently verify them. There's no real clinical data, no FDA clearance, and no legitimate manufacturer transparency. Phrases like FDA registered and medical grade are used very carefully because they sound official, but they do not mean the device is approved, tested, or accurate for blood sugar monitoring. What makes this even more troubling is that this exact device has been sold before under different names. The pattern is always the same: exaggerated claims, fake trust badges, disappointed customers, and refund problems once people realize it doesn't do what it promises. So let me be very clear here. GlucoMax is not a glucose meter. It is not FDA approved, and it is not safe to rely on for managing blood sugar. It's a pulse oximeter being sold as something it cannot do, and trusting it could put your health at real risk. If this video helped you, please hit the like and subscribe button for more reviews.